Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create a development store on Shopify for testing completely free. So you will be able to create your store freely without any kind of payment issues, and when your store is ready then you can publish your store to live version. So if you want to create a store for your client and he does not have any subscription to Shopify, so then you can use this method to create a store on Shopify, and then you can launch this store whenever you want after purchasing the subscription. So to get started, you will have to search Shopify Partner, and here you will have to go to this link, Shopify Partner Program, and now you will have to click on join now, and here you will have to create an account so you can sign up with Google, and here you can choose any option, click on next and select your country, add your contact information, and it is creating your partner account. And here our partner account is created. So now to create a development store, you can go to store, and here you can click on create development store, and you can also request access to any store of your client if they already have a store on Shopify. So to create a development store, you can click on create a development store over here, and here you can write the store name. So for example, I can write Kashif Mahmood KM or something like that. So let's just choose this, and here enter your country, and here you can select any option, and you can click on create development store. So it is creating our store. And now it will take some time and then redirect us to our new store. And here you can see our store is ready. We can click on view our online store, and here you can see it is currently saying the shop has no theme. So we will just refresh, and it is installing our theme. Once it is installed, we will see our development store, and here you can see, so it is installing the theme currently, and here you can see it has installed the theme. And now if we will refresh, so here you can see the store, and we can go to incognito tab to view our store, and here you can see the password thing. So when we will enter the password, we will see the store, and once our store is live, then we can publish this store easily. And when we want to make our store live, then we can go to settings, and we will go to plans, and here we will change our plan to any of these, and then we will add our payment method, and our store will be live. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.